Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the volume of a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where our projects are, and here we have to select the project that we want to work on. After we selected the project, we have to tap on the clip that we want to increase the volume of. Here, after we tapped on it, in the bottom bar, there is the volume button. We tap on this. And then if we move this slider to the right, the volume is going to be increased. After we set the volume, we just tap on OK and it saves the clip as it is. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.